Are you ready to say goodbye to dull, rough skin? Today, we'll show you how to make 5 simple, all-natural scrubs that leave your skin soft, smooth, and radiant, all with ingredients you already have at home. Exfoliation is key to glowing skin. It removes dead skin cells, improves circulation, and helps your skincare products absorb better. But why spend money on expensive products when you can make your own scrubs, free of harsh chemicals, at home? Our first scrub is perfect for tired, puffy skin: coffee and coconut oil. Show ingredients being added to a bowl. 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coffee reduces puffiness and improves circulation, while coconut oil deeply hydrates. For sensitive skin, try our brown sugar and honey scrub. Add to a bowl 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of honey. Brown sugar gently exfoliates, and honey hydrates while fighting bacteria. If your skin feels dry or irritated, oatmeal and yogurt is the way to go. Add to a bowl 1 tablespoon of ground oats. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Oatmeal soothes the skin, while yogurt brightens with natural lactic acid. To tackle rough areas like elbows and knees, try this detoxifying sea salt and olive oil scrub. Combine 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sea salt exfoliates and detoxifies, while olive oil nourishes the skin. Finally, brighten your skin with our lemon and sugar scrub. This one's a favorite. Mix 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Sugar exfoliates, while lemon naturally brightens the skin. But remember, skip this one if you have sensitive skin or cuts. For the best results, apply scrubs on clean, damp skin. Use gentle, circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Follow up with a natural moisturizer like aloe vera or coconut oil. Always patch test new ingredients to check for allergies. Avoid using scrubs on sunburned, irritated, or broken skin. And remember, moderation is key. Exfoliate once or twice a week. These DIY scrubs are a simple, natural way to achieve softer, brighter skin. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nutrient Fusion for more natural beauty tips.